Each year, over 4 million tons of chili peppers are harvested worldwide. In China alone, more than 70,000 tons are grown, nurtured, and harvested to supply the global market. But have you ever wondered, how can farmers turn a tiny chili seed into vast, fiery red fields? The answer lies in technique, timing, and a patience measured down to the very day. Join me as we explore the large-scale chili cultivation process, from seed to high-tech harvest. Large-scale chili cultivation begins with thorough soil preparation. The soil must be loose, well-drained, and ideally have a pH between 6.0 and 6.8 for optimal plant growth. Farmers plow deeply, leave the soil exposed to the sun, then enrich it with decomposed manure and lime to condition the soil before the planting season. At the same time, seeds are germinated in net-covered greenhouses. Before sowing, seeds are soaked in warm water at 50 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes to improve germination rates. They are then wrapped in moist towels or placed in a growth medium for 2 to 3 days, with the temperature maintained between 28 to 30 degrees Celsius. Once the seeds crack open, they are transferred to seedling trays filled with clean, loose soil with stable moisture levels. After 15 days, the seedlings reach about 5 to 7 centimeters in height, strong, with healthy, evenly developed white roots. At this stage, they are transplanted to the field using automatic planters. The spacing between plants is precisely set at 30 to 50 centimeters depending on the variety, ensuring good airflow, sufficient sunlight, and easier care later on. Once the seedlings are transplanted to the field, the care stage becomes the key factor determining yield. First is irrigation. Drip irrigation systems are commonly used, helping to conserve water and maintain stable moisture around the plant base. During the rainy season, farmers must pay special attention to quick drainage to prevent waterlogging and root rot. As for fertilization, chili plants require nutrients divided into 3 stages. Vegetative recovery stage. Apply NPK 20-2015 fertilizer, supplemented with well-decomposed manure. Flowering stage. Add potassium and calcium to support uniform fruit development. Fruit development stage. Reduce nitrogen. Increase phosphorus and potassium to produce firm, spicy fruits with vibrant color. Chili plants are also highly susceptible to pests and diseases. Aphids, thrips, and fungi are common threats. Large farms use drones to spray pesticides, delivering the right dose at the right time to the right areas at risk, instead of blanket spraying. As a result, plants grow uniformly with strong stems, healthy leaves, and are well prepared to enter the flowering and fruiting stage. About 30 to 40 days after transplanting, chili plants enter the budding stage and begin forming their first flowers. This is a critical period. If the plants lack water, sunlight, or are attacked by pests, the fruit setting rate will drop significantly. During this stage, farmers focus on supplementing micronutrients such as calcium, boron, and magnesium to prevent premature flower drop and ensure the fruits attach firmly after pollination. Irrigation must be even, but avoid watering directly onto the flowers, as it may damage the stigma. If the weather shifts suddenly, especially heat over 35 degrees Celsius or prolonged rainfall, farmers respond by covering the field with nets, tarps, or quickly digging drainage channels. Once the fruits begin to form, phosphorus and potassium are continuously added to support fast growth, enhance spiciness, and bring out a vibrant red color. At this point, older leaves and weak branches are also pruned to improve airflow and allow sunlight to reach every fruit evenly. With timely and proper care, in just 2 months, the entire field will be blanketed in brilliant red, signaling that harvest season is near. After about 60 to 70 days, depending on the variety and weather conditions, chili peppers ripen uniformly to a vibrant red, ready for harvest. To ensure quality, farmers harvest early in the morning when the fruits are still cool and fresh, minimizing moisture loss. On large-scale farms, specialized chili harvesting machines are used. These mechanical arms gently detach each pepper from the plant, minimizing damage. Once harvested, the peppers are placed on an automated conveyor belt and transported to a central collection point. Here, a sorting system removes unripe or damaged peppers and separates them by size to ensure uniformity for processing. The qualified peppers are packed into plastic crates or breathable mesh bags, then loaded onto specialized vehicles and delivered to the processing plant the same day. All of this serves one core purpose: to preserve the chili's freshness, spiciness, and natural color, right before it enters the hot sauce production process. Upon arrival at the factory, the chili peppers are immediately sent through the cleaning process, washed with high-pressure water to remove soil, impurities, and dust. Next, an automated screening system resorts the peppers, keeping only those that meet standards in ripeness, color, and size. These selected peppers are then fed into industrial grinders, where they are finely crushed into a smooth mixture. During grinding, other ingredients, such as garlic, sugar, salt, vinegar, and secret spices, are added in precisely measured ratios. The mixture is then transferred to sealed cooking tanks, where it is cooked at controlled temperatures and times to ensure sterilization, while preserving the chili's natural flavor, spiciness, and signature red color. Once the sauce reaches the desired consistency, it is filtered again to remove seeds and skin, ensuring a silky smooth texture before bottling. Finally, the automatic bottling line fills the chili sauce into sterilized plastic or glass bottles, caps them, labels them, and prepares them for distribution. Before leaving the factory, every batch of chili sauce undergoes a strict quality control process. Technicians inspect the color, consistency, spiciness, pH level, and food safety indicators. If all standards are met, the product is labeled, packaged, and stacked onto pallets, ready for export. The certified bottles are then distributed to supermarkets, stores, and restaurant chains around the world. From a tiny chili seed in the field to a bottle of hot sauce in your hand, it's a journey of meticulous control from farm to table. And every step of that journey carries the care, precision, and pride of the farmers behind it. From a tiny seed, through soil, sun, wind, human hands, and modern technology, the chili pepper has completed an extraordinary journey. And in every drop of that spicy sauce, there's not just heat, but also the effort, intelligence, and pride of farmers around the world. If you found this journey interesting, feel free to leave a comment, share your thoughts, or let me know which crop you'd like to explore next. And don't forget to hit subscribe to keep following AgriNext 365, where stories of modern agriculture are told with heart and technology.